So guys, welcome back to another video, and this video is going to be a UI challenge, guys. In this video, let's go ahead and try to recreate this particular screen design. This is one of the minimal designs, guys. This uses a very less number of colors and presents the content in a nice way, right? And it also has the tabs. I think these are tabs. Yeah, these are tabs. And so yeah, let's go ahead and try to create this nice looking screen using Flutter. I have a blank application that I have scaffolded out just now. I'll go ahead and write code on this. I also have some images in the assets directory as well as a font family that I downloaded just now from Google. It's a free font, and I've added all those in my pubspec.yaml file as well. Let's get back to main.dart file, and first I'll be doing this part of the screen, the profile image and a menu button, I guess. So for that I'll get into scaffold and background colors dot white and body list view. Inside this I'll do children container padding edge insets dot all, sorry, edge insets dot only, top some 10.0, right some 15.0, bottom some 10.0, and left some 15.0. Fine. And width would be media query dot off context dot size dot width child row, and inside this we'll do the children inside this children container. We have two children, right? One is the profile image and the other one is the menu button. So container, and for this I'll give a height some 40 maybe, and width would be another 40. After this, what I'll do is I'll add a decoration box, decoration border radius dot circular 20.0 image decoration image asset assets pic6.jpg fit box fit dot cover. Fine. And I need a icon button as well. Icon button icons dot menu colors dot black icon size 27.2 on pressed. Let's save this. Let's see how this looks on a mobile device first, and then we'll continue building this. So I'll just run this on the device now. Alright guys, now you can see, oh okay, this is not I didn't give that, right? Main axis alignment dot space between. If we save this, now we can see that we have this design exactly like we have in our design spec, right? These two. So now let's go ahead and do this tab bar. This tab bar looks pretty much simple, right? I covered tab bar extensively in one of my previous videos, guys. I think it was the food or something related to food, I think. Anyway, I'll do this in this video as well, no issues for me. So before bringing in tabs, what we need to do is we need to extend this with single ticker provider state mixin. Where is it? Single ticker provider state mixin, and inside this I'll just initialize the tab controller first. Tab controller, and after this I'll initialize the init state tab controller, equals tab controller vsync this length 3. Fine. Now we have a tab controller. Let's go ahead and do tabs inside this. So after this container, I'll add a padding, maybe padding edge insets not only top 20.0. Fine. And after this I can do a child tab bar, and tab bar will be controller tab controller. Fine. And indicator color colors dot transparent, label colors dot black, unselected label color. What was the label? Gray, somewhat gray with some opacity, right? So colors dot gray dot with opacity some 0.6 maybe. Okay. And opacity is 0 to 1, guys. 0 is completely transparent, 1 is completely opaque. Okay. Is scrollable, so I'll give true. And tabs, these tabs will be a set of text widgets, right? These are text widgets. So I'll cut the video here and resume once I have added I'm just going to be adding text, that's it. Okay, now as you can see here, I have gone ahead and added the text stuff, right? And I've also given it a font size and some styling attributes. Let's save this and see how this looks on a mobile device. Obviously an error will be shown. We need to hot restart it. Just a minute, guys. Alright, let's see how this looks on the device. Hopefully it should go fine. Nice, right? Now we have nice looking tabs just like we have on our design spec. Let's go ahead and add a tab bar view where we'll be showing all these colorful cards as well. So for that I'll just add a container. Okay, I just have a nice container inside which I'll be placing the views for those particular cards. Also, if you notice on the screen, we have a nice looking bottom bar, right? So let's go ahead and do this before doing this tab bar view. So for the bottom bar, I'll get out of body entirely. So after this list view, I'll be doing a bottom navigation bar. This will be having a material, and inside this I'll do child container decoration, box decoration color, colors dot white, height 60.0, width media query dot off, context dot size dot width. Fine. And child row, this will be a row, right? Yeah, this will be a row. First one will be a container probably, second one and third one will be icons, and the fourth one looks a little bit complicated. Yeah, it's easy, no issues there. So inside this row, what I'll do is children widget container, and inside this I'll do a child. This is going to be a text, guys. The filters, this one. Fine. Now we have a text inside this. Let's save this and see how this looks on our device. Okay, we have text, and we need a small underline here, right? So let's go ahead and add that in the decoration for this particular container. So after this text, I'll do a decoration, box decoration, and inside this I'll add a border bottom border side, I think it's border side colors dot black, style border style dot solid and width 1.0. Fine. Now this will give it a border on the bottom side alone, which looks like it will be underlining that particular. See, you get it, right? But well, let's add some content padding here, so that padding edge insets dot only bottom, maybe some 5.0. Fine. Now if you look, that will look exactly like it was in the design spec, right? The next thing is our two icons. So I'll just cut the video here and then bring those icons here and then resume recording. Fine, I have the two icons here. Let's see how those look. Yeah, those look fine as well on the screen. The final one is a red color container inside which there are two elements in a row maybe, and one of them is a text and another one of them is a icon. Let's go ahead and do this as well. So once again I'll bring in a container. I'll do this rather quickly, guys, since you already know how. Probably if you have been watching my videos regularly, especially these UI design videos, you would know, you would be an expert in containers probably by now. Actually, you won't be an expert. Even I don't consider myself an expert. Container has a large amount of options, guys. Many people ask me why I'm using containers for everything. With containers, you could literally build anything that has a definite shape. If it doesn't have a definite shape, use a custom painter and then you can still build it in whatever shape you want. Anyway, let's move on with what we are doing here. Decoration, box decoration, border radius dot circular 25.2 and colors dot red. Fine. And after this, height will be some 45.2 and width would be some 65.2 and child row main axis alignment dot space evenly, children, this is going to be text and an icon, right? Fine, this is a text and an icon. I'll save this. Let's see how this looks on our mobile device. Cool, right? Now all we need to do is specify in the main rows, just specify main axis alignment dot space evenly. Save this. See how this looks on a mobile device. Probably it should, yeah, it's looking too good, right? Exactly like we have in our design spec, right? So now we have everything on the screen except these 4 cards. So these 4 cards I'll be writing as a separate tab view. So what I'll do is I'll rather bring in a new page. Alright guys, you might have wondered why I just time lapse that entire thing. There is nothing fancy in this, guys. I am just simply returning a list view, and inside that return list view I am having a row which is nothing but this thing. Okay, this row will have 2 columns. First one will be this column, the second one will be this column, and for inside that each and every column has a set of cards. So I am just creating one card and then going to be calling this function get food card from the from here, so that it returns all my cards beautifully. That function will accept an image path, the fruit name, the price, the image path, the fruit name, the price, and the is favorite or not. If it's its favorite, then it will simply show a red color heart. If not, it will show a red color border heart. Here it's white in color since they have used a pastel shade, a solid pastel shade for each and every fruit background. But I couldn't get images with fruit images with a solid pastel shade. So what I did was I just took whatever image I got. So and hence I'll be using a red color heart. That's it. Okay. So okay, we need to have a column, and inside this column is where we'll be creating a this will be a stack, right? So that we can have an image, and on top of that we can have a heart. So stack children, and inside that I'll be having a container, height 125.0, decoration, box decoration, border radius dot only, top left radius dot circular 10.0, top right radius dot circular 10.0. Fine. And after that I can have an image decoration image asset image path, obviously image path fit would be box fit dot cover. That's it. Fine. The next thing we'll do is we'll have a padding. Okay, and that padding is for the icon, this icon. Okay, so first I'll show you why we need that padding. Without that padding, let me just go ahead and create that icon, then you will understand it a bit better, right? So without that padding, I'll have a align. This is inside the same stack, guys. Okay, alignment dot top right. Fine. And after this, child is favorite. If it's favorite, then it should be just the it should be a full red icon. So icons dot favorite colors dot red. After this, colors dot favorite border. Fine. Now if we save this, just look at the screen and see, oh, it won't, nothing will happen. Nothing will happen because we haven't yet wait, we'll finish this as well. We'll finish this text as well, just 2 lines of text, right? Once we finish this, I'll save that and show you guys how that looks. So I'll cut the video here and then add the text, and then resume from once I have finished adding those 2 text. Fine, I have added the text now. I'll save this, and from here I'll just call it once first, so that you guys can have a get food card. What was that? Get food card, right? Get food card. Image path will be assets pick one dot jpg. Fruit name I'll just give it as orange, and price I'll give it as 0.75 maybe. His favorite I'll give it as true. Fine. We just call this only once now, right? We'll save this. Still nothing will happen, since we have to get back to main dot dart, and inside the tab bar view, where is it? Inside the tab bar view, we need to give what was that? Fruits page, right? Fruits page Now save this. Now it should load probably, hopefully. Yeah, it loaded perfectly, right? So now we have a since I gave main axis alignment dot space evenly, it's just displaying it in my center. But if you notice, the favorite icon is somewhat to the top right, right? So what we'll do right away is this is why I said I should add the padding. So where is that? Now if we add some little padding, add padding, save this. Now look, it will be somewhat awesome. See, it's awesome, right? Now let's go ahead and do the same for our remaining. We just need one more column, and not only that, we need to, I'll add 3 more. I'll cut the video here and then resume recording once I have finished this entire thing, guys, the entire row. And now we have added a few more fruits as well as yeah, let's see how this looks. You understand why I added a sized box at the top here, right? Since, wait, where is our design spec? On design spec, this starts here, whereas this starts somewhat at a level below than this starting point, right? That's the reason. Let me just save this so that you guys can see how this looks on our mobile device. See, you can see this, right? Now this card starts somewhere at the top, and this card starts a little to the a little below than the original starting point. We can scroll this obviously and see that we get a nice looking list set of images, and yeah, that's it, guys. We have recreated this entire screen successfully. We did this top bar. We have this nice looking tab bar as well, and not only that, we have this set of cards and a nice looking bottom bar as well, right? So yeah, this is exactly what I wanted to show you guys today. I hope this video helped you guys. If you found this helpful, kindly share it with someone. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button, guys. Hit the thumbs up button. If you like what I'm doing on this channel, and if you would like to watch more content like this, I've made a set of UI challenge videos, guys. The thing is, I haven't edited most of it, so that's the reason why I just edit 1 or 2 and then upload them in the week. What I'll do is I'll just edit everything, render everything, and then upload them one by one on a daily basis, or 2 videos a day for the next few days. Okay, so kindly, to watch all those content, kindly subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell icon so that you receive notifications each and every time I upload a new video. Okay, so yeah, guys, this is what I wanted to share with you guys. Subscribe, it's free, and hit the thumbs up button, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.